Hello everybody, long time no see. Hope everyone is doing well. What's happening? You all good? Are you working? Making money? Well, I just got back from Sydney this morning and I'm pretty fucking ginger right now. When I left my house to go to Sydney on Friday, I was greeted at the door with one of those Australia Post cards saying, "Oh, you went home when you tried to deliver your package." So I held on to that for the whole weekend, and I just got back from the post office and I picked it up. On the box it said, umbrella. Hence why we're here right now. We're doing a live unboxing video. I decided that I think I'll keep the announcements live for YouTube, how I did it last time, because that just took ages to fucking set up. Unboxing, I can do it quick here, bang bang, straight away. No problem. What do we got? 3 watches. Paul Berryman's watching. Paul, how you going, pal? Brendan is watching also. Brendan, how you doing, man? Forgive me if I sound a little ginger, but I've just been driving fucking 9 hours. I'm pretty fucked. I hope Umbrella's watching too. Shout out to Umbrella. If you're watching, give me a thumbs up. How was everyone's weekend? All good? Get up to any naughty activities? You're probably saying, hurry the fuck up. Finish your smoke. We want to see the unboxing. Well, wait your fucking turn. Oh. My street has like 6 dogs, at least, over about 4 different houses. And every day without fail, when one starts fucking oh, 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 all the others follow like a fucking choir. Oh, 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 oh. It's beautiful. Don't be shy. You can all chat. You can say something. Who's that? Ashton. Yeah, the boys. How you going, bud? I'm back in Helburn. Nah, Melbourne's all right. I don't mind it. 'Tis my home for life. Jay man is watching. Jay, how you going, man? Ready for an unboxing? I know I'm ready. Are you ready? Is everybody in? Ceremony's about to begin. All right, unboxing time. Let's do this. For those who just joined, catch the replay for the backstory to this unboxing. I'm actually not even drinking coffee today. I'm drinking fucking black tea with a bit of lemon in it. Oh boy. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Was Matthews a good host, or should I leave him back bad feedback on TripAdvisor? Fucking hell. No, Ashton. John was the perfect host. He was A1. Legendary. Alright, I'll change the fucking camera. Hey, there we go. Sick. Okay. I should have brought a fucking knife of some sorts. Give me a sec. I'll take care of that. Dun-dun-dun-dun. All right. Danny, how you going, bud? It's live unboxing time. Ooh. All right, number one is mask. Director's cut. Mask. Yes, Tony, I did get home safe. And I'm still running on fumes. Ah. Look at that. Mask director's cut. I've only seen the theatrical cut. Looking forward to the director's. Da-da-da-da-da. I don't know about you, man, but I'm loving how Umbrella are doing these slips now for, like standard movies like they did back in the day. Now they're slipping everything. I'm liking it. It's good. Keep it up, Umbrella. Keep it up. What's the other one? Oh, what's the other one? Ho, ho, ho. Hello. A Dangerous Summer. Exploitation Classics number 18. Who's seen this film? I haven't seen it. Any good? Of course it's good. It's exploitation. It's by Umbrella. Special edition collector's cards inside. Oh, ho, ho. All right, special features, man. Uh-huh. All right. Yeah, man. Looks like, we're going to be entertained for a while with this one. Quite a few special features there. What's its advisory? I didn't read the advisories. Moderate violence, brief incidental nudity. Hey, boobies. Grouse. Hope I get to see some boobies. Boobies are cool. What was Mask's thing? That content is moderate in impact. Okay, so no boobies. That's fine. And I forgot to show you. The third one for this month. Poof. Martyrs. This is the deluxe one. Beyond Genres number 22. It's like a big box. You got a booklet in there, and you got the retail edition in a big box with a book. So this makes it deluxe. Yes, I like that. But in order for me to see the freaking advisory Duvalaki, I've got to crack this thing open. Good thing I've got good nails. All right. That's the new artwork. I like that. Ooh. Shout out to the artist because he's actually in this group. He posted not too long ago the process of how this art became about. He's in it. Oh, hang on. What's going on? No advisory? No advisory! No! Okay, what we got here? Ooh, boobies. And the original poster. Oh, okay. No advisory sticker. it'll probably say something like, oh, yeah, this film's got tits and blood. All right, kids. Well, there you go. There you have it. September is done and dusted. Get in there, you little turd. Murders, Mask, and A Dangerous Summer. September. Oh, what do we got? More messages. Is it longer or just changes? The slips are good. They certainly are good, Nashton. I don't know if it's longer or shorter. I wouldn't know. I've never seen the director's cut. Travers is watching. Travers, how you going, brother? Haven't seen it, but looking forward to it. No show Norks. Oh, that's probably a good thing, Ashton. I mean, do we really want to see Cher's tits? I probably don't. Martyrs thumbs up. It's rated up arrow. Fun for the whole family. Rated G, yeah. Oh boy. Well, there you go. That's September. Look out for October. And yeah, I decided from now on, I think it'll be easier if I just do live announcements on YouTube and unboxings here on Facebook. Best of both worlds. For those who just joined, I'm not drinking coffee, I'm drinking tea. I'm going to have one more smoke and we'll go back inside. Marcy! Buongiorno Bella, come sta? You just missed the unboxing, darling, but I'm sure you can watch it on our replay. I just unboxed September's titles. Thanks to the lovely folks of Umbrella Entertainment. Check them out. Why am I drinking tea? Well, Mas, I just got back from Sydney this morning, so I haven't slept yet. Running on fumes. Feeling pretty ginger. That's why I'm having the tea, so I can relax. If I have a coffee now, I'll be bouncing off the walls like a madman. Oh, good old Melbourne. Umbi are doing a great job. Danny, they certainly are, mate. Umbrella have definitely upped their game as of late. People are noticing. I'm noticing. They're pumping out belter titles, mate. Really good stuff. More to come, of course. You can't shut Umbrella down. They are a machine. Great day's rest, well deserved. Tony, I probably won't wake up until tomorrow. Yes, bounce. I don't want to bounce, Ashton. I got big tits, so you're just going to see tits go do-do-do-do-do-do. Great time to be a physical media collector. Indeed, Danny. I've said this to multiple collector friends of mine. This is truly the golden age of Blu-ray, 4K, DVD collecting, disc collecting in general. A lot of good things are happening, and they have been happening for years now, you know, and we're witnessing it. We're alive to go through it, live it, pay for it, enjoy it. Great times to be a collector. Yes, have a rest day and we'll do lunch tomorrow with Bede. Yes. Ah, you mean Nicolas Cage. Yes. Is he here? Is he watching this? I don't know. Bede, are you here? Come on, Bede. Join. Watch. Lunch is definite. I'm in. I'll be there. in one piece. Oh boy. He's at work, sadly. Damn it, Bede. Why are you at work? You should be watching my live unboxing. Anyway, people, I'm signing off. Yours truly saying ciao until the next unboxing. Peace out. I'm going to try get to Melbourne October 1. Yes, do it, Danny, do it. Do it. Come here, man. Melbourne needs you. Rest up. See? Even Marcy's telling you to do it. Come, man, come. All right, my lovelies. You all take care. Be good. Be good to each other. Be safe. Be well. And till next time. Peace. Love you all. Be good. Ciao.